From now on, I'm going to use the 95-5 rule. What that means is if you ask me to declare a truth about myself, the most confidence I can give you is 95% in my answer. And I'm going to let that be okay, because in my nature, I am naturally open to change. I feel like in my astrological makeup, you can't really pin me down. I like to call myself an untethered soul. So I have been shamed in the past for this. I've been called a liar. I've been called inconsistent. I've been called wishy-washy. I've been called a lot of things and shamed in a lot of ways. The place that I'm in right now, I'm accepting the truth of the matter. There is truth in what people are saying, but the judgment is not necessary. So yes, I change from time to time. Yes, I will be one thing today and another thing tomorrow. So yes, that's true. But I'm not feeling shame about that anymore. It just is what it is. So from this point on, if someone asks me to declare something or to choose something or whatever, the most confidence they're going to get in that is about 95%. And a part of the reason for that is, very honestly, I have PDA autism, which means that when you make a demand of me, my whole body rejects the demand. So if you tell me I must declare something, my whole body's going to run in the other direction. Now, does that mean I'm moving towards a direction of truth? Not necessarily. It just means that I'm rejecting your demand for a declaration. And that's confusing for people. It's not confusing for me anymore. So I'm letting it be what it is. Another thing is I flow really well in the gray area. A lot of people don't. They feel uncomfortable with uncertainty, and I navigate uncertainty pretty well. I like to keep myself open to possibilities. I feel like in that gray space, there are infinite possibilities. Things could go any which way, and you could feel any which way about it. And there are experiences that you could have that in that gray area that would be impossible for you if you were forced to choose a black and white option. And I like to live in the state of infinite possibility. That feels good to me. That feels natural to me. So while I may be 95% sure of something or 95% of something, there's always a 5% chance that I will move in the opposite direction or I will move in a different direction. And I'm okay with that. So then the question becomes, are you okay with that? Because I am. And I'm not going to let your uncomfortability with that part of me make me uncomfortable with myself. And this is something that's taken decades to arrive at. So I really don't feel like changing it. I don't feel like going backwards in that area. It's like I finally have uncovered the truth behind the way I do things, and from here on out, I will move in ways that are true for me. And a part of my truth is uncertainty, because I'm an untethered soul, and that's just how I am. So